Hi there, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to talk about what to do if you have a program that's not functioning properly. The first thing, obviously, you want to do if you're getting an error message, you want to Google it. If you're not getting any kind of error message, you can stop the program and then you can start it again. And then, obviously, you want to restart your computer. You want to make sure if you have stopped the program and started it again and it's still not functioning properly, you want to make sure that when you're stopping the program that it is actually stopped. And the way you can do that is by right-clicking on your taskbar. And this is if you're using Windows 10 or 11, and then left-clicking where it says Task Manager. And then if you see right here on this little window that popped up, you're going to left click where it says more details, and then you're going to see what your running processes are. And if you've got something that's running, you look down this list, and if you see the program that you're trying to get to work that's not working, if you see it in there, you can just right click on that and then left click on end task, and it will stop that process from running. Then you can start the program again and see if it'll work. So if all that doesn't help you out, you may need to uninstall and reinstall your program. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to go into Control Panel. Now I've put Control Panel on my desktop right here. If you don't have Control Panel on your desktop and you're using Windows 10 or 11, you just type in the search bar right here, Control Panel. If you notice, as soon as I type in CON, it suggests Control Panel. I'm just going to left click on that. And then if you see right here, if it comes up and it looks like this, then all you need to do is just left click up here where it says category and then left click where it says small icons. And then you'll see right here, it's alphabetical programs and features. So you're going to left click on that. And let's say our Mozilla Firefox is what's not working, right? Let's say we open up Mozilla Firefox and for some reason it doesn't open. Um, it's obviously working now, but let's say it's not. Then you would go in here and you would left click on Mozilla Firefox and make sure that's what's highlighted, and then you would left click on uninstall. Now that this goes for whatever program you're trying to remove. You would just left click on it once and then left click once on uninstall. And when you uninstall it, you just want to click on everything that advances the process. So anything that says next, anything that says uninstall, anything like that, and then finish. And then what I would recommend you do would be to look for anything else that has to do with the program. So right here, Mozilla maintenance services in there. So we're going to left click on that and left click on uninstall. And it's going to say an error occurred while trying to uninstall Mozilla maintenance service. It has already been uninstalled, which is fine. And then you just check again, make sure there's none of the program that you're trying to uninstall in your programs and features. And then what I would recommend you do is restart the computer. And then you're going to want to download and reinstall the program. So what you're going to do in the case of Mozilla is you're going to Google Firefox. Make sure you're on Google. Those are your best search results. And then right here you see www.mozilla.org. It's important to read, every bit of the search result. And then you're going to click on download. And then you're going to click on download now. Once you also read here to make sure you're downloading what you mean to, you're going to click on download now. And in the upper right hand corner of Chrome, you're going to see that it is finished. Now, we've already downloaded Firefox a couple of times in preparation for this video. So we're just going to go over here to downloads, and any of these are all the same. We're going to double click on it. And just like we did for the uninstall, when we install it, we're just going to click on whatever moves the process forward. So in this case, yes, and next, and install. And then we're just going to wait for this thing to scoot along. And there it goes. Browsers are pretty small programs. I just click finish to close the thing, and now we have it reinstalled. And theoretically, it should work at that point. If it doesn't, you may need to call a professional. You can call me if you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Bartlett, Germantown, Oakland, Collierville, Arlington, Millington, or Eads, Tennessee area. I'm Dave from Bensman Home Computer Repair. I've been in business 23 years. I can bring expert home computer repair to your home while you wait. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Please have a great day.